Hey guys, this is a short clip from this week's mock driving test. The full driving test video will be uploaded this Sunday. In this clip, the learner driver, whose name is Luce, is doing the reverse bay parking maneuver. Whilst doing the maneuver, she makes two serious driving faults. For those of you who are regular viewers, you should easily spot the first fault, but I think many will struggle spotting the second fault. Please drop a comment if you notice the faults.
If you could just stop anywhere along here and reverse into any way you want, please.
Okay. Is it just like that?
There's
Did you have to press it?
Yeah, there's a lever at the front here. We just lift up. That's it. There you go.
Are they doing a manoeuvre or can I go?
I would love to help you. If it wasn't a mock test, I would help you. So your decision, whatever you think is safe to do. Okay. Carry on, yeah. Carry on, please. Okay, you done?
Am I allowed to open the door?
Yeah, if you want to, yeah.
Hopefully you spotted both faults. The answer will be revealed in Sunday's video. Like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.